Went to the pawn shop and got this halogen oven for $45. Usually they go for $80 at the regular. Bought a new, but I will only buy a new. It's a pawn shop after all. And here are some cooking time instructions. And let's take a quick look at if it can cook. So this is a halogen cooking appliance. As you can see, I just left it on, turn it on without anything. In there cooking, the timer goes from 0 to 60 minutes, and the temperature goes from 0, obviously, off to 450 degrees. Here's the instruction book and the accessories. It really don't matter which brand you're getting from. They're pretty much the same design. And this is a standard, just in case you have a large whole chicken in there. And this is a frying pan. And 2 racks, one lower, one higher, so in theory you can cook 2 things at a time. It has a warm color. And here is the handle. If you look at this, there is a safety device. So if you lift the handle, even if you turn it on, the device will turn off. As you can see, I manually push it in, the machine comes back on. So it's a safety feature. And here are some raw beef. I'm just going to leave it in there to cook on the frying pan. I'm setting it for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Actually 30 minutes. I'm not going to eat it. The beef actually went bad. So this is just a testing phase. Now you can increase the time, but you will not be allowed to decrease the timer. The timer is stuck, so if you do that, it will actually damage the machine. And here's how it looks. You can use the thumb to take out the frying pan. So the beef looks fully cooked, a little watery, but again, I'm not going to eat it. It doesn't matter how it tastes. And here is what I'm actually going to cook and eat. It's 375 degrees, 20 minutes for chicken wings. They're seasoned but raw. Put in the lower rack so you won't overcook. And as you can see, the greases start to drip. Oh, one more thing of note, it's cooking from frozen. So actually the dripping first is the liquid, the water, and then it's going to have grease. So this is about halfway in. As you can see, the outside is getting brown, and it looks cooked, but I'm not sure, obviously, since I'm not eating it. You see, there's definitely now grease on the bottom pan. The pan itself is made of complete glass, so you can open the lid and just drain the grease away into a cup or the trash, and then wash it in the sink or the dishwasher. Now on the side, it's definitely hot, so don't touch, but not the livers on the side or the bottom. It's somewhat hot, but you can still carry it if you want. And the table is cool, so it's pretty well insulated. Okay, so we're finishing up, and once the timer hits 0, the device just turns itself off. So I'm just going to leave it here to show you. Usually I let it sit for a few more minutes before I'm still grabbing them. The conclusion is, yes, it can cook. No, I cannot cook. But that's why I need to buy frozen dinners from the supermarket. $45 is a good deal. It replaces my air fryer, which died exactly 1 month after its warranty. This thing probably will last only a couple more months because the bulb is going to go out.